how to set mobile network to 5G or 4G preferred on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down. You will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connections, click on Mobile Networks. After click on Mobile Networks, you will see network mode is here. If you want to set network mode to 5G and 4G preferred, if you want to set for 4G, click on 4G. If you want to set 5G preferred, click on 5G preferred. You will select 4G and 5G preferred from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set mobile hotspot network to 5G and 4G preferred on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.